Today I'll be taking you through the Microsoft Publisher. I want us to come up with IDs whereby you want to fit 10 or so copies of small documents like the school ID in one A4 page. Therefore, basically, if you look at these IDs, these are school IDs, and you can come up with a search using Microsoft Publisher. Therefore, what you do, you first of all create a new Publisher document. You choose the page, you just click File, then New, then you go to More Blank Pages. You choose A4. You want A4 portrait. Then you click Create. Therefore, this is how Microsoft Publisher looks like. Therefore, to start with this one, you need to go to Insert, then Shapes. Then you can pick a shape that you would like to use. For example, in my case here, I'll use this shape. Then I can color this by going to the shape outline. Then after doing so, in case you want light, you just right click. You right click on the auto shape, then you choose this option, add text. Therefore, you can call this one as Irish High School, postal address, PO box, certain number there, Nairobi, Kenya. Then you can make this white in color. For visibility purposes, you can increase the font size. You can bold. You can change your font size to whichever you want. Okay, then after doing so, we can use the text boxes. For example, we need to use this text box. We need to have the name of the student, class, and then the admission number. I can go to home, then try to reduce the spacing. And this one should be bold. Then from here we can insert the school motto using the text box just below that forward ever, backwards never. That is the school motto for our case here. You can enlarge the font size. Forward ever, backwards never. This one has taken space for the other side. Therefore, you can have the student name here, the class, the admission number. Then we may have the photo of the student, and also let's assume we need to have the school logo somewhere. Therefore, you can just go to insert picture. We want the school logo. Let's assume this is school logo. we insert the picture here. So see, this is our school logo. So I can take our school logo to this point. So see, this is the school logo. Therefore, the school logo is there. Then we need to pick the student's photo. Just go to where the photos are. Go to where the photos are. Then you can pick the student photo. This is the student photo. Then you can crop the photo. Crop the photo to required size, but it is important if you had a cropped area. Therefore, you only need to fix the photo. So I just now need to fix this student's photo to this point. Now I'm only required to type the names. And the class to West, admission number 739. Basically, for you to be in a position to copy this, you need to group this. Then you hold shift, then click each and every object as I'm doing. Then you need to right click. You need to group this one. Just click on this by the group. Now you realize that after grouping, this has become one ID. It is movable. It can also be copied. Therefore, if I copy this one and reduce the size, then I paste, you realize now I have another ID. I can now arrange that one there. Then now I can hold shift and copy, then paste. Now I paste both. I'm in a position now to bring here. I paste again. I bring the other copy down there. I paste again. I bring the other copy here. Therefore, so far, if you look at the page, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 8. I have 8 copies of my IDs. And if now I need to change this person here, therefore I only need to click, then go to format, then ungroup. When I ungroup, I delete this photo. Can change the details. Turn HI Junior. Now this one is in True North. Admission number, for example, 738. Then I can now pick the photo again. Go to this one. I go to my pictures. Then now I can choose the other person again. Insert picture. Yeah, I can pick now this guy here. I crop this one. I need this photo to be the size that I need to fit there. There we go. Therefore, you'll proceed now using the same format until you edit the photos as you wish. That is the photos of every student. Therefore, basically, this is how you create a school ID. Then you copy and fit several copies there. Then just go editing. After editing, you hold shift, click each and every part, then you group again. In that now this ID is a student ID. We have forgotten to include this one in the grouping. Therefore, if you realize now, this ID is transferable. It can be printed and then cut for Don Gichai, this one for Boniface Gichai, and for such instance, we have created IDs in that correct way. Then, if I need to insert another page or several pages, you see I have one page here. Just go to insert. Then we have the pages, insert blank pages. Insert blank page. Therefore, you have several pages down there, and sometimes you may wish to type something that will appear in each and every page. Okay, that one we call it a master page. And therefore, you can press Ctrl and M. Therefore, this one will take you to the master page. Then you can add something in the master page, like for example, you can add something here. We want that one to appear in the master pages. Therefore, right click, add text, then say we are in the process of running MS Publisher. You can make that one borrowed. Then after having this, you close the master page. Now you realize that whatever you have done in the master page has been applied in any other page. To make it more clear, if for example I add something in the master page, like this one, can add this photo of mine in the master page. You realize that after doing that one and crossing the master page, you'll notice that that picture has been applied in every part of the master page. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to subscribe so that you can get more videos as I come up with it. Thank you very much.